What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're actually in Tampa, Florida at Euro Tuning. They're having a collab event with our boys at Beamer Invasion. So we just got here, we drove over from Orlando this morning, and yeah, we're gonna take you guys along for the ride. We're gonna see some familiar faces. You know, we're still part of the BMW family for life, so you know we had to take the GTR here. It's actually gonna be the first time a lot of my friends have seen this car in person, so hopefully we get some good reactions for you guys. And now let's get into this video. Got the VIP row right here. Got JD Cam. The best show car here! Pop the hood. What's good? What's good?
Get in for a Honda.
Oh shit! We got Towson's on the channel. After what, 6 months of vlogging? We got the OG F30 skirt back on the channel. I don't know how long it's been since I vlogged and had people like homies like them in our vlogs, but we got Wayne parking in the VIP section. Anything new to your car, bro?
Just oil leaks.
Wait, they saw the seat, right?
Yeah, we did the last video we filmed together. They saw the seat.
They saw the seat.
They saw the steering wheel too, yeah.
Saw the steering wheel. We got stuff on the way that
Oh, sure.
they don't know. Getting a wing, getting new wheels. Here's a second fucking seat.
I think you told us that when we were at WTF. Are you any ETA on the wheels?
We're supposed to be here this month. So
This month?
We'll see what they. We'll see
Oh
what they
damn.
actually show up.
That's before January, right? Didn't they say January before?
Yeah. And then they said they were early. So.
Nice. We have Ken's G80, the daily driven, on his E88s, looking hella nice. We'll get him on the vlog soon. We have the beautiful F80 Corey. I'm just stalking him right now.
It's GTR home.
Yes, sir. Getting all the homies back on the channel. We got F80 Corey's beautiful face. Got anything to say?
I'm back.
I'm back.
Or he's back, I should say.
Yeah, we're back. We're back.
You guys been slacking. I saw you didn't post a video.
It's been a while since I missed a week of vlogs.
He deserves a break, you know?
Yo, you've
so
been
busy.
consistent for months. And yeah, I saw your story too. I was like, this
Yeah.
man I didn't post on a Friday? That's crazy. Yo.
Dad duty.
Yeah, it's a lie.
But we have the Daily Driven back on the channel. You guys already know. We got F80 Corey. Good to see all the Beamer Invasion guys.
He doesn't post anything on his Instagram account at all.
Yeah, he's too busy.
Instagram's a job, so I don't need that, you know?
That's true. But good to see Ken.
Good to see you too.
Always putting in work with the camera.
Got 2 cameras rolling.
Consistently putting out Friday, Wednesday, Monday videos.
I used to do 2 a week, but that was
2
a lot.
weeks, right.
But once you become a father and stuff, you got a lot of dad duties
For
to
sure.
do. Time with the family, you gotta edit, work a full-time job.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Hey, but you guys had a lot of events for you guys to be posting content with, so I'd love to see them.
Yeah, and it's good because you get to, it's like when you do these events with Beamer
Yeah.
Invasion or any events, and it feels like a family reunion again. You
Oh,
get to meet up
100%.
with people that you haven't seen in a while,
Yeah.
or you get to meet up with people that you haven't seen or haven't met before on Instagram, right? But you get to meet them in person, it kind of brings that bond together.
100%.
The good thing is you get to see a lot of people that I've seen in previous shows.
Yeah.
It's good to see you again. I haven't seen you in a while. I haven't seen a
know.
video of yours in a while.
Boy's been slacking.
I know, but again, you all get busy, you get older, and
Life.
there's more responsibilities.
Yeah, man. But it's good. Like you said, family reunion and putting more faces to builds. I had a couple people come up to me, even though I don't even have a BMW
Yeah.
anymore. They told me, yo, you inspired me to get this mid-pipe. You inspired me to do this on my F80. And that's the coolest thing to ever
You
hear.
decided to get me $20,000 in credit card debt. That's what they're gonna say to you.
That's what they said, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, but you're inspired people to go in depth right here. The vlog hasn't seen your new shoes yet, Ken.
All right, so the new shoes are the BBS E88s. I've always admired these sets of wheels because I've always seen them on the E9X. And when I saw the opportunity to get this on my car, I was like, it's a no-brainer, right?
sure.
Because the rarity of the wheel, it's a hard wheel to get. One of the coolest things about this wheel is that it's not your off-the-shelf spec. It's a 3-piece made by AR Motorworks. And right now, from what they told me, it's a 6 to 1 year wait right now to get a set. And I love them. I think they look amazing. I know some people like the LMRs more, and I'm kind of indifferent, which is why I kept both.
Right. All right, so same question you asked me. Which wheels do you like more? The E88s, which I think are beautiful. I'll tell you guys what I think about them after Ken gives his spiel, or the LMRs.
It's tough, man. Like, when I threw these on, after I had the LMRs on, I was like, yeah, I like these, but also the LMRs with the brushed champagne look.
Brush champagne is so nice.
It goes so well with the Mola. I would have to say the LMRs. A little bit more, edges a little bit more.
True.
But the only reason why I don't have the LMRs on because when I have my wife, my son in the car, and a car full of kid stuff, I rub. So
yeah.
which is why I threw these on. These are a little bit more of a slimmer fit, so to say. But they look good regardless.
Right.
If I'm keeping the car, I'm keeping both sets of wheels.
100%.
Maybe a third set, we'll see.
What do you think about the no center cap? Don't tell wifey yet? Okay.
Don't tell wifey yet.
Yeah. What do you think about the no center cap look? Because the reason why I would lean, I guess, more LMR than this is because the red center caps on the brushed on the what, brushed champagne?
Yeah.
On the brushed champagne LMRs. I think red and red just looks good. The center cap does add a lot of, you know, pizzazz to the
Yeah, of
car.
course.
And the E88s obviously don't have that due to the design, but what do you think about that?
The no center cap look kind of gives it a more of a track look, right, and aggressive.
Right.
Also the beefy tire.
Yeah.
Most people when they first saw this, like, hey, where's the center cap? You know, where is it at? I guess a lot of people are not familiar with it. With the E88s, they don't come with center caps. There are other fitments that are not deep race pockets that you could probably put center caps.
Yeah.
But it's just a classic look. You don't need center caps for these wheels.
Right. It looks so good. Look
Look how deep dish that is.
dude, that's insane.
You
I
could
didn't
fit
even
your whole freaking fist.
I didn't even notice that.
So that's one reason why I got them.
That's crazy. Got the beefy
And-
tire as well. I was one of those people. I was like, yo, red center cap would go hard, but then someone corrected me in the comments and said, you dumbass. He said, you don't put center caps on E88.
Yeah, YouTube, you guys are kind of violent out
Yeah,
there, you know?
YouTube people
It's all
are-
about love, man.
Yeah.
It's all about love, but yeah, there's more things to come. I just don't know what else I'm doing next.
True.
Just-
Anything big before the April show?
Nothing yet.
Nothing
I
yet.
got other plans,
Stay-
but nothing really set in stone yet.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys.
You already see, Ken's G80 is one of the best builds out there, so there's not much more he needs to do. He's got the suspension. He's got multiple wheel setups. We got Mohair pulling up. You guys know Mellow Yellow. But yeah, you guys know Ken's car. There's not much he needs to do. It's good to see my boys though, Ken, Miguel, Corey. And yeah, beautiful day, hanging out with the homies. It's a family reunion. All right, I just caught up with a bunch of friends, and now I'm gonna walk you guys through all of the cars here. This is again at Euro Tuning here in Tampa, Florida. They are a parts distributor for, I guess, a lot of companies. I haven't heard of them until today, but they're pretty big online, so make sure you guys check them out. Appreciate them hosting the event today. Just walk you through all the BMWs, as well as some other miscellaneous cars that are here. That boy Josh, fresh and dirty, looking beautiful, super static. I think he has over 150,000 miles on his M4 now. Looks amazing. Bring you over to the white F8X row right here. We have a beautiful white F80, showcase Corey's right here. We featured on the channel before. F80 Corey's F80, absolute beauty. Make sure you guys check out that feature film if you haven't already. My boy Miguel, we just met for the first time. Single turbo F80 M3. Look at this kit, man, it's insane. So many people have gone single turbo now, and for good reason. They sound amazing, they put the power down, and yeah. He said he had a lot of inspiration from my F80, which I love hearing. So again, huge shout out to the boy Miguel, F80 Corey. But yeah, beautiful day. Look at the weather. Good turnout. Amazing cars, good people. But it's good to be outside again, hanging out with the BMW family, checking out some insane builds like this G82 right here. This one pulled in. It is a 2025, you know, from the laser headlights right there. And it already has a single turbo kit on it. Absolutely insane. I think it's fire orange or something. Corey was telling me he put the single turbo kit on 2 weeks after he got the car delivered, which is insane. Show you guys the rear end. Look at this thing, carbon trunk, the new laser taillights. Talk about going all out on a brand new car. Insane built G80 carbon trunk as well. These guys came in together, fast boys. We have a Keys Motorsport 340, Astoral Blue. I don't know if this is actually associated with Keys Motorsports, or they're sponsored, but interesting build. But yeah, these G8Xs were sick. 340, M4. We got the M2 row right here. It's like the first BMW event that I've not only been to, but that they've had in a while up here. So had to show you guys the cars. Sick M5 right here. A fucking beautiful E30 M3. God dang, they're so rare and so beautiful, so timeless, as most of you guys know. Check it out. Absolute gem of a car right there. Saw a bunch of dope Supras roll in. This one's beautiful. Got that Tanzanite blue color. Ray wheels. A lot of F80 M3s. Makes me miss mine. There's my homies right here, Raheem's. He's got the mineral gray with the TEs. Just met him and his son today. Dope build. Love meeting people from Instagram. It's probably my favorite thing. We got the boy, Jam Alpha, we rolled over here with.
Let me tell you something. I don't know if he was able to get the audio of his car for you guys, like 100%, but it sounds nice in the videos, but in person, it sounds way better.
Yeah,
Way better.
videos definitely don't do it
If
justice.
you guys haven't heard his car in person, like, I challenge you, man. I challenge you. If you see his car, pull up and just try and listen to it. It's nice. It does sound really good.
The new exhaust sounds good.
Congratulations.
Hey, we're new exhaust boys because your car sounds insane as well.
Yeah.
Yo,
I felt so
both
bad
of us.
because so we pulled up here
Yeah.
and we were just going downshifting all over the place, having a good time. And then as soon as we did like a full wide open throttle, there was some oinks that were there, and I was like, oh man.
Oinks and the train track. I was like,
Hey,
oh,
but we got
man.
that button though.
Yeah, we do. Make sure you guys do me a favor. Follow Jam Alpha and all of his sick builds. Struggle Media on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Oh,
Yeah.
keep the merch.
Oh, peep the merch.
Come on, man. Hey, he's next.
You know where to look. Yeah, right. We got Zay's beautiful M240i. What's that called? What's the purple called?
Thunderbolt? I think so, something like that.
Thunderbolt? I'm going with it. Thunderbolt?
Thunder Night Metallic. Yeah.
Okay. Thunder Night Metallic Purple. We got Zay's M240i. Beautiful. We rolled over here with Jam Alpha, F30 Skirt, Shame M3, aka Ben. You guys will see a bunch of these on Instagram right now. All the cars decorated in Christmas lights. I don't know if I would do it to my GTR, obviously risking scratching the paint, but I also heard it takes like 8 hours to do a full car, so don't know if we'll have time for that this year. Maybe one day though. Purple M5 comp that rolled in right next to the GTR actually. This thing was beautiful. He had like a full carbon hood, insanely kitted out, wheels and all. Looks insane. You guys see it right there. Beautiful car. But yeah, we parked the GTR ski in the midst of all the BMWs here. Still welcomed, I think. Still welcomed. Car looks amazing. That we have the new front lip that we just dropped a video on. Got the carbon fiber grille. We have the clear side markers, the new Advans with the center caps, and then the newly wrapped roof in black. And yeah, pretty much the car is amazing, sounds amazing, drove amazing here. Absolutely loving it. Beautiful E46, but check out this Supra. Pure turbos, no hood, no bumper. You know they're working on something with this fast boy. That shit's crazy. Showing up to a car show with no hood, no bumper. Got the bead locks on the back, parachute harness in the trunk. Absolutely gutted. You know this car is running like 8 sank and quarter miles. Insane. But damn, even amidst all of the BMWs here, I fucking love my GTR, man. It looks so clean. The next mod we're probably gonna do is suspension, so we're gonna lower it. Can't wait for that. But again, we are at the beginning now. We parked next to our boy Sid with the CS. Look at the E46 with the carbon hood. Damn, that's beautiful. Woo, love it. Damn, this show keeps going on and on. It's my boy 890 Super from Tampa. Beautiful, beautiful upgrade for my boy. So happy for him. Murdered out, my kind of spec, you already know. This car and this paint in the sun looks amazing. Beautiful build. This Supra I saw pulling in, I had to show you guys. This thing's fully kitted out. Full body kit, wing, amazing. Boosted 6 is his Instagram if you guys want to follow him. Beautiful Supra. Here we go, baby. Family. This R35 rolled in. It's a Titan build, I guess. And man, it sounded amazing. Also white with some black accents. Carbon trunk right there, you guys can see. Rocking the TEs. Beautiful. Yeah, this car sounded amazing. It's probably way faster than mine. Got the carbon accents on the fender. Probably gonna do that as well. But this had a full exposed carbon hood. Carbon grille as well. Carbon lip. Yeah, this shit slaps. 2025 G80. I actually like the lights. They grew on me for sure. Let me know what you guys think about them as well. Sao Paulo yellow. Black sapphire metallic G82. Boy David Car Photos. In the flesh.
What's up?
Always supporting, always killing it on the gram, always
appreciate it.
at all the local events in Orlando, killing it with the camera.
Yes, sir.
Make
Yes,
sure you guys do me a favor, follow the homie.
I appreciate it.
This is my homie's E92 from South Florida. Beautiful build. Actually met him at the first invasion they had in Melbourne. Sick car. This is a matte black G87 that pulled in. I think it's paint, but I'm not sure. Still hasn't grown on me though, to be 100% honest with you. Another nice Supra. Show you guys all the cars here. Here you go. Another Christmas light wrap G82. Probably looks sick at night. Check out these Supras. Sick wrap on this one. It's like purple color changing. Sick body kits on that one as well. This is insane. Let's go. As I was putting the camera down, another GTR rolls in. Let's go. That shit sounds fast too. 1320 plate on it. Yep. R35. Look at this Supra that pulled up. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely kidding. Look who pulled up. My boy Mahir, Mellow Yellow 2.0 with his single turbo G80. Beautiful G80 right here. Yes sir, we had Mellow Yellows.
We got
1200 horsepower G80.
Louis Vuitton Pikachu.
Mahir, welcome to the channel again. We are back in Mellow Yellow 2.0. This Speed Yellow G80. Single turbo.
Single turbo.
1200 horsepower, 44 pounds of boost. Me and Wang are in the back seat right now.
Chilling.
We're gonna do some photo shoot stuff.
Oh.
Sheesh. Man's pulling out the race fuel. Mid photo shoot. We got Speed Yellow. We got Signal Green. Everybody's lining up. Is that Fire Orange? Our boy Aleko is lining up all the G8Xs right now, the Skittle colors. And they're gonna do a photo shoot real quick. We have Ken's Imola Red. We got Voodoo Blue. And we have this purple one. I forget the name right now. It's not Techno Violet, but it's literally gonna be Skittles all lined up. It's gonna be a sick photo. All right, shout out to Wang. Twilight Purple is the paint color that we forgot. The cops are here too. They're all cool with it. But yeah, they're just getting some photos for Instagram. It's gonna be a sick lineup.
Staggered afterwards.
Vlogception.
Vlogception, yeah, Vlogception. There's a Mercedes back there that we're trying to get rid of.
All right, so they finally got them lined up in the Skittle colors. It looks absolutely amazing. This will probably be the thumbnail right there. Everybody has their camera out, getting some content. Aleko and Josh are gonna go to work, get some photos. All right, we pulled the GTR back behind, but I have to show you guys this. This is crazy. The boy with the Huracan is actually trying to fit his car under the semi, which is insane.
Ching chong, ching chong.
Chong. Pull your eyes apart, pull your eyes apart. All right, closing out the vlog. Love to see my boy.
800 credit score.
Racist.
We're here with the boys. We're closing out the vlog. The Euro Tuning event was amazing. Shout out to Ken and the Beamer Invasion guys for hosting it.
And also Euro Tuning.
And Euro Tuning, yeah. Anything to say? It's good to see the homies, of course, always.
Yeah.
We need Viet to start vlogging more again of the GTR instead, but
Yeah. Make sure you guys hit the like button for him and also motivate him to say, hey, more vlogs, brother, more vlogs.
200,
More vlogs. Yeah. More vlogs.
1,000 likes, he has to vlog straight for 7 weeks.
We ain't getting 1,000 likes, it's all good.
That's a
All right, catch you guys later at the garage. All right, we just made it back home. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was so good seeing all the BMW homies, and it was like a family reunion, as we said in this video. I don't know when this video is gonna be released, but happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you celebrate that, Happy New Year. I don't know if I'll have another video out before then, but just wanna come on here and thank you guys for watching. Had an amazing year, a lot of achievements, a lot of accomplishments in the car world, so I'm super grateful and super blessed. And anyways, I hope you guys take care, stay safe out there, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.